Easy setup. Install in minutes all by yourself. The entry sensors attach to doors and windows, while the motion sensor and keypad can be secured to walls via the included mounts. No monthly fees. Designed to protect your home as well as your wallet, eufy security products are one-time purchases that combine security with convenience. Instant alerts. Get notified as soon as motion or a breach is detected with the eufy security app. Optional 24/7 protection service. New optional 24/7 professional monitoring service is now available for 24/7 emergency police, fire and medical response when your alarm system is triggered. What's in the box? HomeBase, keypad, motion sensor, 2x entry sensors, owner's manual and happy card. Top reviews from the United States. I purchased this alarm kit since I own a set of eufy Cam 2C at home. The good thing is I can use my existing HomeBase to add this alarm system under the same ecosystem. This alarm kit is easy to install and set up. The quality is solid. So far, everything works well. Tried the alarm, and it sounds loud. Besides, it seems the battery life of the motion sensor and the entry sensor is quite long, which is good considering the price point. No monthly fee is good. The eufy security app is easy to use as well. The only complaint so far is that the eufy home alarm kit has not added any options of 24/7 professional monitoring services. I really hope eufy can add this feature in the future because I do wish there is a professional team that can back me up in case something bad happens. Overall, this product is good and very easy to install and set up. This is a good option for DIY home alarm systems for the price.